Hello students of class 10th. Welcome to my class of English. Today we will study the first poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost from the textbook The First Flight. It's a simple and short poem, yet with a deeper meaning. Robert Frost is one of the most popular poets of the 20th century. Many of you have read his very famous poem The Road Not Taken, which is based on the dilemma we face while making choices. You must have enjoyed reading that poem. Let's come to the title of the poem. The title of the poem is Dust of Snow. Here, what do you understand by the word dust? Suppose I say dust of silver. It means very fine powder-like form of silver. Similarly, dust of snow refers to very tiny particles like fibers of snow. So the title of the poem presents nature in its small form. But Robert Frost composed this beautiful and meaningful poem out of this insignificant thing. Here, dust of snow is a symbol of joy and energy. It's a small 8-line poem, but full of meaning. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rode. Okay children, let's come to the theme of the poem. The theme or the main idea of the poem is that even small things of nature can bring a change in one's outlook or attitude. There is such power in nature that even its insignificant things can uplift one's mood. Nature has such healing power that it can cure anything. Again, I am repeating the first 4 lines. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. There are 3 important things in first 4 lines. Crow, dust of snow, a hemlock tree. Do you think crow is attractive or has a melodious voice? No. Because when we think of beautiful birds, pictures of parrots, peacock, pigeons come in our mind. And if I ask you about the birds with melodious voice, you will say cuckoo, nightingale. Definitely nobody will name a crow. Hemlock tree is also a poisonous plant. It belongs to family of a pine tree. Though pine tree present a beautiful sight, then atmosphere, look at the atmosphere, it's winter. Generally in Western countries, winter is associated with gloomy period. People feel depressed, not happy. Both crow and hemlock tree represent sorrow here. So nothing is bright and beautiful. The poet is sad and feeling depressed. Suddenly the movement of a crow on or near a hemlock tree dusted some snow upon him. And let us read the last 4 lines. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rode. This touch of nature in the poem of Dust of Snow instantly changed his mood, made him happier. He was spending his day in a bad mood, wasting his day, and had already wasted some part of the day. But the falling of the snowflakes changed his mood and he spent the rest of the day happily. So according to poet, if you are feeling bad, just be with nature. Even the insignificant things of nature have the power to lift your mood from sad mood to ill health. There is nothing which can't be cured by nature. Now let's come to the rhyme scheme of the poem. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, A, B. So children, if you think this video has been useful for you and you have enjoyed the discussion on this poem, please like it and share it with other students so more and more students can be benefited. In my next video very soon, I will explain the second poem, Fire and Ice by Robert Frost.